Hi there. In this video, I'm going to go over exercises to strengthen the core, the triceps, the pecs, and then 2 stretches, one for the calves and hamstrings, and then one very nice lateral stretch with a very nice side bend. So for this part, the springs, the lower the springs on the cactus, the lighter the resistance. So if you want to challenge yourself, raise the springs higher on the cactus to make the exercise much more difficult. I'm going to keep it on one-on-one. And for this part, let's face the chair, have the heels, the ball of the foot anchored, spread the toes apart, curl the tail under as you curl forward, drop the head, and exhale as you push the pedal down, and inhale as you lift it back up. And let's do 8. Exhale as you push, drop the head forward, and inhale as you come up. And 2, exhale, and inhale, and 3, exhale, and inhale, and 4, exhale, and inhale, and 5, exhale, and inhale, and 6, exhale, and inhale, and 7, exhale, and inhale, and 8, exhale, and inhale. The next exercise, go as low as you feel comfortable, drop the head forward, keep the heels, the ball of the foot, and the legs as is, keep the tail curled under, and then tricep press. So have your elbows face backwards. A lot of people do this exercise with rotating the elbows out, but the correct way to do it is have the elbows point back. Keep the head low, and then bend and straighten the arms for 8. And exhale as you push down. Inhale as you lift. And 2, exhale, and inhale, and 3, exhale, and inhale, and 4, exhale, and inhale, and 5, exhale, and inhale, and 6, exhale, inhale, and 7, exhale, and inhale, and 8, exhale, and inhale. Stay low, have your palm face each other, keep the tail curled under, go as low as you feel comfortable, and bend and straighten the arms. In this case, the elbows are pointing out. And exhale, inhale, and 2, exhale, and inhale, and 3, exhale, inhale, and 4, exhale, inhale, and 5, exhale, inhale, and 6, exhale, inhale, and 7, exhale, inhale, and 8, exhale, and inhale. The next, push the pedal all the way down if you can. If you can't, push it as low as you feel comfortable. And then lift the heels up for a nice stretch for 10. 1 and 2, and drop the head forward so don't strain the neck. And 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And let's have you come up. And for the side stretch, sit on the chair sideways. Keep, in this case, the right butt down. Left leg is straight out to the side. Have the left heel, left ball of the foot anchored to the floor. Spread the toes apart. Bring the arms out to the side. Bring the right hand on the paddle and push the foot pedal down.
It's quite heavy. You can play against this resistance, but you can also separate the foot pedal into a split pedal, so it's easier, lighter resistance. Now you're working against only one spring. So arms out to the side, butt is anchored, foot is anchored. Push the pedal down. This hand, the left arm, if you can, if you have the range, bring it to the air. Keep the left foot anchored and push the pedal as low as possible. And then this hand, also push it away. So again, this opposing energy or forces or whatever. So just to feel a nice, very nice stretch on the side. Keep the toes down. Push as low as you feel comfortable. And then come back up. And then counter stretch. So imagine that you are between two planes of glass. So there's no rotation. It's a pure side bend. In this case, keep the right butt down and keep the left leg straight. This hand can come towards the ear to increase the range, and then push these fingers to the ceiling. Again, opposing stretch. And then let's do 3 more. Out to the side, push the pedal down, keep the foot down, left foot down, left hand pushes away, right hand pushes as low as possible. And then counter stretch. Leg stays straight, right butt cheek stays down, this hand pushes away, right hand pushes away. And 2 more. This feels very good. Push down, reach, and then counter stretch. And then last one. And then other side. So left butt cheek stays down, right leg is straight, right heel, right ball of the foot anchored, spread the right toes apart, arms out to the side, and then push the pedal down. Bring the hand towards the ear, push the hand away, push the foot into the floor, and reach. And 1. Counter stretch, keep the left butt cheek down, and then reach away. And 2. And 3. And last one, 4. And that's it. Have a good day.